Well, they say you have to have a plan before you retire. Back in 1984, we met a couple from Blanchardville with a plan.
Turns out they struck out. Here's this week's Traveler Throwback Thursday.
Isaac and Ingy Retrum quit farming in 1949. They moved to Blanchardville. But after a life of hard work on the farm, they weren't quite ready to settle down. They didn't. Isaac and Ingy took up bowling. Now, lots of people bowl, but not many do at the Retrum's age. Isaac is 93, Ingy is 91. Just listen to these facts. Isaac was born the year the Spanish-American War ended. Benjamin Harrison was president. Wyoming and Idaho became states. They were married in 1914. They'll be celebrating their 70th wedding anniversary this year. And still, they bowl. They win trophies for their bowling. Twice a week, on Tuesdays and Fridays, they head for the Pecatonica Lanes near Hollandale. They bowl with a group of seniors from around the area. Isaac needs to wear an eye patch now to cut down on his double vision. This isn't a league, though. They only bowl for fun. And I guess when you're over 90, it had better be fun.
Well, it's good exercise. It's a lot of fun. It's something to do, you know. It's better than sitting around.
There's something to look forward to. You gotta go.
I got some of my friends. They'd go and sit down, and they wouldn't even walk downtown. And they wasn't going to go out and work on the farm. They said they were going to quit. They quit. They're under the ground now. That's what happens. You got to keep moving. You got to use it. If you don't use it, you lose it.
Isaac and Ingy got it, and they use it. They should. Usually when your bowling score matches your age, you're not doing very well. But in Isaac and Ingy's case, their score does match. And that's not bad bowling. Mark Kane, News 3, traveling in Blanchardville.